Yes. So you all were following the steps, right? You all were following the steps which were mentioned in the song, right? Put your left leg in, put your left leg out, put your right leg in, and shake it all about. Yes, so you all were dancing. So dancing करना मतलब क्या होता है? What is dancing? What does dancing mean? What is it?
Dancing मतलब नाचना.
Nachna. Okay. So when you are doing dance, right? And in this song also, you were doing some actions, right? When you're dancing, that means you're doing some actions or not? Or you're just standing still? You are doing some actions, you are doing some hand movements, you are jumping, or you are, you are moving your legs, you are moving your head, you are moving your eyes, you are moving your hands. Yes, so you are doing some actions, right? So today we are going to learn a new concept, and that is called, let me share the screen, okay? Rishika, be on mute, beta. Yes. Now let me share the screen. Yes. So today's objective is I can identify the doing words or verbs from the sentences, right? So doing words, words means what? You all did now action, right? You all did dance, right? So that means you did some action. You have done something, right? So that those words like put your left hand in. So put is what? You're doing some action. Okay. If I say scratch your head, if I say scratch your head, come on, what action you will do? What action you will do if I say scratch your head? I can't see anyone doing action. You don't know how to scratch your head. See what I'm doing. Look at me what I'm doing. I'm scratching my head. So this is what? Scratching. This is an action which I'm doing. Okay. So scratch is what? An action, right? Now I ask you to hold your ears. Hold your ears. Chalo. Hold your ears. How are you going to hold your ears? कैसे पकड़ोगे अपने कान? Yes, I can see Doha doing action. Yes, even Adveep, Anvi, Sanchita, very good. Arav, very good. Bhavesh, yes, very good. Okay, so these are actions which you are doing, no? So these words like hold, put, scratch, jump, okay? These are called doing words, or we can also call them as verbs. Understood? Now today we are going to identify those doing words from the sentences. Now let's see which are these words, okay? Now action words. Now the child I'm going to tag, that child will speak, huh? Kurshad, tell me, what is this action? What is this boy doing? You have to unmute and speak, huh? And you can read also here. Kurshad Sheikh, unmute and speak better.
Jump, teacher.
Jump, yes. So when I say jump, what action you will do? You will do this type of action, right? So जब आप ये pictures ऐसे देखोगे तो immediately you say jump. Okay. Now the next question, who is going to share? Arav. Arav, tell me, what is this action?
Six, ma'am. Six.
What?
Skip.
Skip. Very good. Very good. Very good. So this is called skip. Please be on mute, beta. So who is in the middle? I'm going to stop sharing. Dikshita, Purshad, I see this children's mic are on. Sarthak, Dikshita and Khurshad, your mics are on. Please unmute. Yes. Okay. So this is what? Skip. So when I say skip, so immediately you will do this action, right? Because you know what to do. Okay, so this is a doing word or an action word. Okay, now next, Jagannath, tell me what is this picture? What do you see in this picture this boy is doing?
Swim. Swim करना teacher.
I asked the question to Jagannath, na, so he will give me answer, beta. What is this action, Jagannath?
Swimming.
Swim, swim. Very good. So this is swim. So swim is also a action, an action word. Okay. Now, Bhavesh has raised his hand. Yes, Bhavesh, what is this? What is this action called?
And clap.
Bhavesh will give answer.
And clap. Clap.
Yes, very good, Bhavesh. This is clap. Okay. Now the next, who will tell me? Arav Matre. Arav Matre, what is this boy doing?
Read.
Read. Very good, Arav. Very good. Now next, Sanchita, tell me what is this girl or boy doing? We can just see the hand.
Wash.
I asked to Sanchita, so only Sanchita will give answer. Sanchita?
Wash.
Hand wash. Very good, Sanchita. Very good. Okay, children. So, what are these called as, you know, all these action words? These are called as verbs. What are these called? Verbs. So, what is a verb? A verb is a word that shows action. ठीक है, एक word है ना वो, जैसे now we have seen skip, read, swim, jump, all these are words. शब्द है वो, ठीक है, these are words. And these words tells us the action. ये words हमें क्या बताते हैं? Action. Okay? समझ में आया इतना? Have you all understood this much? Show me thumbs up. If you have understood, show me thumbs up. Okay, I can see Trisha, Jagannath, and just a second, huh? Okay, they are showing thumbs up. Bhavish Shetty also showing thumbs up. Yeah, so a verb is a word that shows action. Right now you can see here also these people they are doing actions. Right now I want everyone to write this thing in their notebook. Write this verbs and write this much. A verb is a word that shows action in. Write this in your notebook. I'm giving you 2 minutes to complete this. Everyone will write this in their notebook. A verb is a word that shows action. कुछ action दिखाता है वो, बताता है. The sentences given at the bottom of the picture, you don't write those sentences, ठीक है? Picture के नीचे जो sentences है वो नहीं लिखने हैं आपको, सिर्फ ये जो top में जो sentence लिखा है, only that you have to write, okay? Only that much. You can show me thumbs up once you have finished writing. Okay. Now let's move ahead. Now everyone will stop writing. I will share this on the screen afterwards. Okay. I will share it afterwards. Now let's move ahead. Now you can see the picture, and at the bottom of the picture there are sentences given. Now I want each one of you to read this sentence. Okay. I'm going to tag and that child will read. Shifa Khan, just look at the picture and can you read the sentence, beta? Can you read the sentence? Shifa Khan, unmute and read, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, please read this sentence.
इसको पढ़ो। ये क्या लिखा है, पढ़ो।
JUMPINS
जी है।
जी।
हाँ, तो ये JUMPING क्या होता है?
Jumping.
Very good. Very good. What is this? Jumping.
Girl.
Jumping. You also read along with me. Jumping.
Jumping.
Girl.
Girl.
Yes, so jumping girl. So what is the verb in this sentence? इसमें verb कौन सा है sentence में?
Jumping.
Very good, Shifa. Very good. I'm clapping hands for you. Very good, Shifa. Now the next thing, Vivek. Now Shifa, you can go on mute. Vivek, unmute and look at the picture. Look at the picture and let's read.
Yes.
What is this? Someone is on. Yeah, someone is.
अरे तो टीचर ने रखो पे करना।
Vivek, can you please read this?
Jumping girl.
No, this sentence, beta. Vivek, you can read along with me.
Baby sleep.
Yes, the baby sleeps. So which is the action word in this? Which is the verb in this sentence? The baby sleeps. इसमें verb कौन सा है sentence में? Tell me which is the verb in this sentence.
Sleeps.
Very good. Sleeps. Now you go on mute, beta. Okay. Now the next, that is the last sentence. Who is going to read the last sentence? Let me ask Jivika. Jivika Mhatre. Read this last sentence.
A man is burger.
Very good. Very good. Read one more time, Jivika. एक बार वापस से read करो. You read correctly. आपने correct read किया. Can you read it again one more time for me? A man.
A man eats burger.
Yes, Jivika. A man eats burger. Now, Jivika, tell me which is the verb in this sentence? Eats. Very good. So eat is an action. So eats is a verb. Okay. Very good. Smart class. Now the next. Yes. Now the next. Okay. We will move ahead. Yes. Now I'm going to share, there are some examples of verbs or the doing word, action words. Okay, now one by one I'm going to tag and that child is going to read. Okay. Now first, Sarthak Bhoil, read the first example of verb. Sarthak, read the first example of verb. Sarthak Bhoil, first example batao, first ये क्या है? Which is this verb? Unmute and read beta, unmute. हाँ बोलो.
Learn.
Run, very good. Now next, Dikshita. Dikshita next, second.
Jump, teacher.
Jump, very good. Now next, Bhavesh Marke, next, third one.
Skip.
Skip, very good. Next, Jagannath, fourth one. Hop, very good. Now next, Anvi. Next, fifth one. Anvi, fifth one. Loudly, Anvi. Swim. Very good, Anvi. Next, Advip, sixth one. Advip, sixth one. Dance, yes, very good. Sanchita, seventh one. Sanchita, seventh one.
Walk.
Very good, Sanchita. Next, Vrunda. Next, after walk. 8-1. Number 8. Read, beta.
Equal.
Eat.
Each. Very good, Vrunda. Very good. Now next. Rishika, next, 9th one.
असं लक्ष द्यायचं. पण लक्ष तर दे, वाचायला शिक. तुला तुला सांगतो हे सगळं तू करायला.
Yes, you're right. Say it, Rishika. Cry. Very good, Rishika. Next, next, 10th one, last one. Cook. Very good. Yes, I'm very happy, children. You all can read so well. Very nice. Okay. Now, this is an activity which you have to do. Okay. Now, what you have to do is, just a second. Huh? Now, what you have to do is, you have to identify which word in the list are verb. Now, here there are many words. बहुत सारे words हैं, बहुत सारे शब्द हैं, कुछ pictures भी है, right? बीच में. Now, you have to read these words and you have to identify इसमें से which is a verb. Verb कौन सा है? Doing words कौन से हैं? So, I'm going to read one by one, okay? Bicycle, read, book, tell, story, looks, funny cat, fun, plays, with, child, dog, runs, around, the, take, glass, drink, eat, food, pie, pasta, cuts, and boys. Okay. Now you have to, I have already read these words. Okay. Now from these words, you have to identify the doing words, action words or verbs, and you have to circle it. Will you do it now? Or should I send it as a homework? I will share this as a homework. Now we can do this now. This exercise हम लोग अभी करते हैं. ठीक है? Now you have to, what you have to do is, यहाँ in this help box, there are some verbs given, ठीक है? Action words ये है. Run, brush, skip,
Eat.
read and kick. What you have to do is you have to look at the picture. You have to look at the picture, identify the correct verb, and you have to write. Okay, you don't need to draw the picture. You can just write one. This is first picture, second picture, third picture, fourth picture, fifth, and sixth. So you just have to write number one. What is the action? Okay. Now, for example, this girl, what is she doing? What is this girl doing?
Eat.
Eat. So you will write eat. Okay. Have you understood this? Now I am giving you 3 minutes to complete this exercise. Chalo. You have to do this exercise on your own. 3 minutes. Everyone will be on mute.
क्या करना है टीचर?
ये मुझे कौन पूछ रहा है क्या करना है? Who is asking me this?
Vrinda to do this work. Teacher. मैं पूछूं वृंदा.
मैं पूछूंगा.
वृंदा. अच्छा तो वृंदा, what you have to do is, दीदी ने ये वर्कशीट शेयर की है. You have to look at these verbs. Okay, आपको ये verbs देखने हैं. ऊपर यहाँ पे verbs है ना, हमने आज सीखे हैं वो. ठीक है? You have to then look at the picture. और ये कौन सी action है, वो word यहाँ पे लिखना है. यहाँ पे actions दिए हैं. The verbs are given, and you have to write the correct action word. Okay? समझ में आया वृंदा अभी? Adveep, what happened, beta? Okay, I can see Bhavish has finished writing. Bhavish? Bhavish, can you write the words, please? You have just mentioned the numbers, na? Can you write the words also? And children, you don't need to worry. I'm going to share this on our group also, okay? On our class group. So, but now, as much as you can, try to finish it in our online class. Those who have done or those who have finished can show me thumbs up.